Hello friends, today we are learn number 1 to 30 and color name. So let's start. Brown color, purple color, blue color, black color, peace pink color, light green color, sky blue color, gray color, dark green color, white color, red color, orange color, yellow color, and pink color. Let's paint. Red color 1, orange color 2, yellow color 3, dark green color 4, light green color 5, blue color 6, purple color 7, sky blue color 8, black color 9, peace pink color 10, brown color 11, pink color 12, red color 13, orange color 14, yellow color 15, dark green color 16, light green color 17, blue color 18, purple color 19, sky blue color 20, black color 21, peace pink color 22, brown color 23, pink color 24, red color 25, orange color 26, yellow color 27, dark green color 28, light green color 29, blue color 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.